Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this tutorial, I'm going to run a test case on this particular website. Well, this is a website to calculate the BMI for a person. So let's say my test case is height is 158 and weight is 54 kilograms and the BMI should be 21.63. Let's say this is the correct value. So my parameters for this test case are height 158, weight 54 and expected output is 21.63. Going back to Eclipse, I have given this website and my driver now, and let's see how to put these values in the controls automatically and get the test result. The first thing you need to do is to get ID of all the controls on your system. So here, let's say I want to enter this value automatically. Right click it and select inspect element. Okay, so now here you can see the information about this element. Its ID is height, class is calculator short input, and so on and so forth. For us, the most important thing is height, and this is the ID of this control that can be used to put a value in it automatically. So the process for this is I'll take the same driver that I have created over here. So I'll write my driver dot get dot find element. Now in find element you'll get by, then ID. Well, here I have given ID. There are three ways to do it. You can either give ID, or you can give name, or you can give class. There are different ways. Sometimes for some controls ID is clearly available, in some cases it is name, and in certain cases class. So you can access any control by any one of these. So I'm using ID, and the ID of the control was height. So I'm accessing this control by ID. Do not forget to put double quotes around it and dot. Now to be able to put any value in a text box, we use the function of send keys. Now here I can pass on arguments to it. In my case, value is 158. Similarly, the second control is weight. So the ID of weight is, again right click it, inspect. The ID is weight. My driver dot find element. By ID weight. Do not forget double quotes around. ID dot send keys should come automatically. Dot okay, I made a mistake here. It's one extra double quotes. Dot send keys, and the value is, let's say, 54. Right. So let's see what happens if we try to run this code. Run as Java application. Okay, the Chrome instance is opened. It's being controlled by automated software, you can see. And let's hope it will fill in these values automatically, height and weight. It might take some time depending on the internet speed. Just wait. Okay, so we got the values. So now in the next step we would like to click this button. So let's see what is the ID of this button. Click inspect. Click inspect for the button. Now here you can see name is form submit 1. So you can access it by name or by class calculator button. So let's try to access it by name, form submit 1 name. Right, my driver dot find element by dot name, and name was form submit 1, and we would like to submit this button. Right, so now we can run the test case again. Now let's hope it will also click the button and show us the result. The internet is working slow, so it is taking some time. It will complete in a minute. Come on. Okay, the values are filled in, the button is clicked, and now the result is going to appear over here. Okay, so we got the result 21.63. Right, now in the next step I would like to compare the result automatically. Of course I can see the result, but I can see the result by myself, but this is not the purpose of automated testing. So in automated testing we would like to automate all the test result and see whether all the tests passed or not. So let's try to do it automatically. If we click inspect on this field, you have to do it again. Okay, so its ID is gauge hyphen result. So let's get the value of this output. Let's take a string, like I can say result value equal to my driver dot find element by dot name was the name, sorry, by id gauge hyphen result, by id gauge hyphen result, and got dot get text. I'd like to get text from this control, right? And the expected value, let's say my expected value is 21.63, so I can take another string, expected value equals 21.63, and if the result value dot equals, you can also select ignore case, equals which value, expected value, so my editor got angry because of some reason. So if the values are same, then system.out time test passed, otherwise print test failed. Okay, so we got one string result value which is coming from the test case. We are getting it from the gauge result label, and we have expected value. We compare them. If they are same, then it is the test is passed, and if they are different, then the test is failed. So let's compile it, execute it. There's some error. There's a parenthesis missing.